What happens inside of a black hole? There are three big theories that scientists have came up with of what happens inside of a black hole. The first one is that turning into a singularity would result in automatic death. The second theory is that since time stops inside of a black hole, you would live forever. The third theory is the wormhole theory. A wormhole is when something goes into a black hole and comes out of a different black hole and into a different location. When you go into a black hole, time stops for you, because everything else in the black hole is moving at the same speed and in the same direction. This makes everything seem like it is staying still, so time stops. There is a surface around the black hole called the event horizon. It gets its name from the fact that if any event were to happen in this area, nobody would ever be able to tell. This happens because when matter is falling toward the black hole, it gets dimmer and dimmer until it looks like it disappeared. The matter also appears to move slower as it approaches the black hole. Once you have reached the black hole, there is no coming back. The gravitational pull is so strong in a black hole because so much stuff is packed into one small space. The gravitational pull won't affect you if you don't get too close, but once you get to the event horizon, it sucks you through and into the black hole, and you're gone forever. Once you're in the black hole, you compress so you're so tiny you are invisible. This is called a singularity. Since everything shrinks to almost nothing in black holes are really empty inside, because you are in a black hole forever. Once the black hole dies, everything inside of it dies along with it. You would think that since a neutron star is what turns into a black hole, and a black hole is literally a hole in the universe, that a black hole would have a much bigger density than a neutron star. But that's wrong. A neutron star is so dense that 1 teaspoon of it weighs about 2 billion tons, and the density of the core of a black hole is endless. But density is defined as mass divided by volume, and the volume of a black hole increases much faster than the mass, so this makes black holes much less dense than a neutron star. This is what happens inside of a black hole.